Speech recognition is commonly used to produce radiology reports, but produces errors, with one study indicating that up to 22% of finalized reports contain errors. While many of these errors may be trivial, some can lead to confusion and errors in patient care. Many of these errors are substitution errors, where two similarly sounding words are confused by the speech recognition engine, such as brain and drain. While radiologists generally check their reports for errors, self-editing written text is known to be error-prone as well. We have an idea for how to better detect these errors so that reports will be edited faster and more accurately. Our main insight is that context matters. Just as Google detects one's location to improve the search for nearby restaurants, our solution uses text and language processing to determine the context of each report. Context, in this case, refers to the specific type of report. For instance, the diseases and anatomy that one would expect to be in a report of a CT of the abdomen are different than what one would expect in an MRI of the brain. They are different report contexts. As a result, the language of these reports would be expected to contain different sets of words. Our software analyzes the text in a report to determine the context and, based on this, each word in the report can be assessed for whether it belongs in that context. If not, then the word or phrase is highlighted to draw the radiologist's attention during the editing process. We have a working prototype that has been used in clinical work. Our goal is to use the funding of the Innovation Challenge Award to refine the prototype, create an API to allow speech recognition-based reporting software to call its functions, and test the software. Testing will include user testing to understand how well it fits into radiologists' workflow and whether radiologists find value in using it. We will then objectively study report accuracy and editing speed. This is a demo of our software. On the screen is a long report. Note that no errors jump out to the reviewer. This report is of a CT of the abdomen. We now run the application by clicking Check in the bottom left corner. Several words are now highlighted, drawing the attention of the radiologist. Here, for example, is the word mole instead of pole, and the word brain instead of drain. These words do not belong in an abdominal report, but the radiologist may not have noticed them. By drawing attention to these words, the program has made it easy for the radiologist to find and correct errors that may otherwise have gone unnoticed.